Welcome to WTM.Cars YouTube channel. WTM.Cars. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The new 2025 Isuzu D-Max. The 2025 Isuzu D-Max is known for being tough and reliable, perfect for both work and adventure. It combines power, technology, and durability to stay one of the top trucks on the market. Engine and performance. The 2025 D-Max comes with two turbo diesel engine options. 3.0L turbo diesel offers 188 horsepower and 332 lb-ft of torque, making it great for heavy-duty tasks like towing and off-roading. 1.9L turbo diesel produces 148 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque, focusing on better fuel efficiency for everyday driving and light off-roading. Both engines come with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. The truck also has a strong 4x4 system for different terrains and high ground clearance for rough roads. Towing and payload. The 2025 D-Max is built for hauling and carrying heavy loads. Towing capacity. It can tow up to 7,700 pounds, ideal for trailers or boats. Payload capacity. It can carry up to 2,300 pounds in the bed, depending on the model. Interior and technology. The D-Max's interior combines comfort and technology. Spacious cabin. The inside is practical and comfortable, with leather seats and dual-zone climate control available on higher trims. Infotainment. A 9-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is standard. There's also a digital driver display and features like keyless entry and push-button start. Advanced tech. Higher trims offer wireless charging and an upgraded sound system. Safety and driver assistance. The 2025 D-Max includes many safety features. Driver assistance. It has forward collision warning, emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Strong build. The truck is made from high-tensile steel with a reinforced passenger cabin for added safety in case of an accident. Exterior design. The 2025 D-Max looks strong and ready for off-road. Bold style. It has a large front grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular fenders, along with practical elements like skid plates and side steps. Off-road features. The truck comes with off-road tires, high ground clearance, and protective cladding. Trim levels. There are several trims to fit different needs. Standard trim, focused on work, with basic features. Mid-level trim, adds touchscreen, smartphone integration, and safety features. Top-level trim, includes luxury features like leather seats, premium audio, and advanced off-road capabilities. Conclusion. The 2025 Isuzu D-Max is a powerful, dependable truck that's great for both work and fun. With strong engines, impressive towing, and modern technology, it's a top choice for drivers needing a tough, versatile vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.